Yep, right now you want the red on your right. Red right return. We're returning from sea. Look at helmsman Olivia. There's wind over there.
Eight, 9. Come on, 6, 8. It went down. 6. Yeah! And it's rounding up.
A little bit.
6-1.
It's on autopilot, rounding up.
It is?
Yeah.
We're at 85.7 feet of water. That is cool.
All right, let's tack in.
But I'm very comfortable with my puppy on my back.
We have to tack in. It's no rest for the wicked.
Oh, it just got chilly. Molly, we have to tack.
We have to tack.
What do you think about that? Huh? What do you think about that? We have to tack.
We have to go over there to Duluth. Over there. Past that boat. But now we're moving, which is a good thing.
I didn't know if you want to come up here.
Scene 1, not moving.
Scene 1, not moving.
Heading to Knife River to sea.
No, we've already turned around and we're going back.
We've already seen Knife River. We're turning around, going back to our marina. And now we want to see the Glensheen Mansion that we already saw.